You have seen the title of this video, so let's begin. So, first of all, I will do Zoom it. Okay, and now I so while loop. So let's code. Select table A is equal to 1. Okay, okay. Then while A is less than or equal to 10, okay, then print A, and A is equal to A plus 1. Remember, this is remember to write this okay, later I will define you that why it is important. So A is equal to A plus 1. Okay, and when our loop is over, then we will set that and is subscribe. Okay, so let's overrun. Let's see whether it is working or not. Okay, so for the first time it will taking time, so you can see that it is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you can see that. Please subscribe. Now I will define you that what is going on here. So this is we will set a variable and then start our while loop. Okay, while is a predefined keyword in the Python. So a a is less than or equal to 10. If this expression is true, then this will run. Okay, it is run, and again after print a, that a is equal to 1, it will print. You can see here. Okay, sorry. So okay, you can see that it will run this one, and then it will move where a is equal to 1, and a is equal to 1 here also plus 1, then it become 2. It will inside the loop, because this is, you can see outside the loop. Inside the loop it will go back here, and this time the value become 2. So still a is less than 10 is equal to 2, then it will run. It will print 2, and it will again and again and again and again and again. While at this stage, when here a is equal to become 10, so here 10 plus 1, then it will move here. Then it will set that expression is wrong. Then it will, the loop will off, and it will run this statement, and your uh, function will be over. So I hope that you understand some tips of this, how to use while condition some little bit, because at this time, in the beginning, this is okay. That's enough for you, otherwise you will not be able to understand. So if you have any query regarding this video, please do not hesitate and ask by writing and commenting in the comment section. So that's all for today's video. Until then, Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye bye.